Hi, my name is Shom Sanjay Gowde. I am from Dhuy, Maharashtra. I am completed my bachelor degree in computer science in ACCPS Science College Dhuy, and I am pursuing my master degree in EMCS. My overall CGPA in bachelor degree is 8.67, and I am recently joined in HipChange as a software developer. Today's topic is what is data types. Basically, data types is the special type of data we store the variable and hold the value. Basically, variable is a container uh, store the value, store or uh, hold the value of memory location. Basically, data types. There are two types of data types. One is primitive data types, and second one is non-primitive data types. Primitive data types is a user defined. Non-primitive data type is uh, user defined. Basically, we can uh, programmer decide to change or update the value. Primitive data type is the predefined in Java language. It does not changes or update. They are fixed value. Primitive data types, there are basically eight types. First one is byte, mm, byte, short, boolean, integer, long, float, double, and character. First one is byte. Byte we can store the one bit. One bit mean uh, uh, bytes mean store the one byte. The one bit means uh, one byte mean one 8 bits. They can store the value. Next one is the SWAT. They store the 2 bytes value. Mm, Third one is character. Such as store the 2 byte value. Next one is integer. Integer store the 4 byte value. Mm, Float, such as float as a store the 4 byte value. Next one is long also store the 8 byte value, and double also store the 8 byte value. 1 bytes mean 8 bits. Basically, it is used to the mm, byte byte in byte short. We can store the whole value. Boolean can store the true or false value. Basically, default value is boolean is false. We can use only boolean data types in true or false value are assigned. Integer store the integer value, positive value. Next one is float. Float can store the decimal point, decimal value. They are passing given range is n to 6 digit. We can store the decimal point. This is the actual value. We can store the decimal in minimum 6 digit, maximum 6 element we can store. After that, double double we can also store the decimal value, but their given range is n to 15 elements. 15 elements decimal element we can store the double double data types. Next one is long. We can also store the integer value or whole value. Mm, this is the primitive data type is the predefined. Their value or their value is the fixed. We cannot changes. We can only access to the data types and store the variable and values. Next one is the non primitive data types. Non primitive data types is the user defined. Programmer are decide we need to implementation. They their need to access the element and implement the data types. There are multiple types. Basically, objects, string, array, and classes. There are non-primitive data types. Interfaces. These are non-primitive data types. Basically, we can discuss the String. A string is a collection of characters. An array is the fixed size of sequential collection of element. We can store the contiguous memory location according to index number. This is the array. We can store the multiple element in integer types. We can store the similar data types element. Mm, and string we can store the multiple data types such as the uh, multiple value we can store. Basically, we can use in the non-primitive data types in the multiple projects and multiple frameworks. We can use the classes and creating the objects and method. These are the multiple predefined method in string and arrays. We can use to the predefined methods. We can access the element and according to index number, such as the non-primitive data types. Using in the making the projects and large of code, we can using the predefined method and we can quick solving the complex problem using non-primitive data types. They are basically used to the uh, solving the complex problem. Thank you.